I will ask one question.
Yes, sir.
Savangigarji,
Yeah.
our Sridhar is slightly personal. Our Sridhar is having 2 daughters, but they're always susceptible to small changes here and there. They become sick.
Yeah.
They are below the age of say 10 or 12 years. Whether
Yeah.
such immune doses will be useful for the children.
100%, 100%. In fact, one of my friends, his son had same the problem. Every month he used to get cold, and that was a perpetual problem. And then I gave him one product which is called as Immune Prash, which is a solid product but based on the same principles. And he has stopped getting this repeated colds.
Hello, sir. First of all, thanks for really, it is something really nice this in this COVID issue. I just want to ask if we want to go for some kind of the clinical proof for this, either in vivo study or in vitro studies, can you suggest some kind of the primary or the secondary endpoints to endorse our claim?
See, as I said, this product is in food law, and in food law, if there is a very strong scientific literature behind it, you do not require a clinical trial. And ethically, a clinical trial should be taken only if there is a possibility of a new knowledge being added. If it is already known that beta carotene of 80 microgram will give innate immunity, then ethically you should not perform any clinical trial. You should go straight for its use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rajnita is asking whether it is all right for below 12 years children also, whether we can give the dosage. That is what she is asking.
Yes, yes, it is useful from what you can say after the stage of childhood. Infancy. It is useful from that point onwards, and for children it could be a half a dose.
Okay. There is also one question where they are asking where we will get these products.
Yeah, they can just write us on our email ID, and we will just send them from where they can collect the product.
Yeah.
Yeah, on our website metabolites.com, they can send email to us and we'll arrange for it.
So at
Dr. Ganpati, something asking something.
Well, yes, I could read Pankaj typing, Dr. Pankaj typing a few lines, but couldn't read completely. Before that, it vanished.
do you have any plans to give Lumen tea for our COVID fighters like police force and doctors?
Yes. In fact, our first choice is them. Then thereafter the diabetics, hypertensives, and age-old people, and then rest of the persons.
Okay. Pankaj, this is the question of Pankaj. Okay, thank you. Is there any particular time in the day to take this job, Jal?
No, you can take at any time, preferably in the morning and in the evening.
Yeah.
At the bedtime.
Is it after food or empty stomach?
If you take it with food, that is best, because in that case it will be digested very well, because fats will be digested with other food in much efficient way.
Are you doing any advocacy?
Advocacy for what?
And how to move forward? Now you say the product is very good. How to sell this idea to the government of India or the state government?
Basically, government of India and state government, they should definitely take note of this. However, it appears that they are so busy with current problems of COVID that they don't have left any attention for this new information. However, for those who want to use it right now, we are going to provide this. And for those who have right kind of approach to the state government and union government, we would welcome if they invite their attention to this product. and we will work with government to make this available on a very big way to the through government channels for distributing to those who need them very urgently. And in fact, let me tell you, with the withdrawal of withdrawal of lockdown makes all the immune compromised people very much vulnerable for infections, because now they will be surrounded by many people whom they don't know, who carries the a silent infection, or who has again got reinfected earlier day. So it is very much necessary that the immune compromised sections should be given this particular product as early as possible before withdrawal of the lockdown, so that they remain safe.
Actually, in Tamil Nadu, all the police people, government of Tamil Nadu had distributed some 40 tablets. I do not know the composition of the tablet, but they have told all the police people to take those tablets regularly. Perhaps that also is a part of the immune system. Perhaps Dr. Ganpati will be knowing that.
Yeah. Basically, there are, as I said, there are two types of immune systems: adaptive immune system and innate immune system. However, as we have seen right now, innate immune system is basically important. If you don't have innate immune system at the topmost, strengthening adaptive immune system is of no use for new infections. And all these in the market, if they don't contain beta-carotene, they are not immunity boosters, they are adaptive immunity boosters. I won't say that those are bad, those are also good, but first take immunity boosters and then others.
There is a question from Dr. Ganapati. He is appreciating a very great for your vast experience. Can you please able to explain the cost analysis of the production?
We will be offering them at a very reasonable cost, because when you go for a large scale production, definitely the cost will be prohibitive, and we are very keen that we will not add a big profit to that. It will be made available at a very affordable cost.
Yeah, there is another question. How many products? So how many such products are there?
Well, right now we are concentrating on making immune from tomato, because this particular raw material is right now available in tomato process. It doesn't mean that other sources will not be used in the future. But if you ask me what I will give you in the next week, it is the lay immune from tomato that I will give.
Right. There is another question. Can these tablets be given to cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy?
Yes, of course. As you have, I have read a reference where it is not limited only to innate immunity. A long list of diseases and every cancer. If it is in earlier stage, then early stage cancer cells can be decimated by natural killers. And then after chemotherapy, whatever are the solitary cancer cells which later on cause metastasis, they will also be addressed by this particular product. So for cancer patients also, this is a very useful product.
Right.
Suppose we want to do advocacy, should we do it with the Ayush or Ministry of Health or Ministry of Food? The beta-carotene comes under which ministry?
No, it is the Ministry of, not even Ministry of Food, Health Ministry. Health Ministry, because Food Ministry only regulates it. It doesn't have any mechanism for distributing it. The best body is National Disaster Management Authority. That is the apex body, which is handling at the moment COVID problem, and then bring it to their attention, and particularly personally Narendra Modi, because one time, and he has that particular flair that if he sees there is a merit, he will go all the way to implement it immediately. But persons like us cannot reach up to Narendra Modi right now.
There are another 2 questions. I just quickly read through it. As your product is to enhance the immunity, may I know how long this product is advised to be taken? Dr. Rajani.
You know how long?
How long
What is the
this
question?
product is advised to be consumed?
For the lifelong, because whenever you are exposed to the any diseases and all these infectious bacteria and viruses, then you have to keep ourselves protected, no? So we have to take it for the lifelong.
And this is a food product, this is not a medicine. So there should be no problem. We should not be taken as long. It is got to be taken every day.
Great, sir. Now, somebody is asking about the ORAC value of the product. Dr. Sadiq.
Then there is the ORAC value for it. It's not a ORAC value. So we have to consume it with the microgram.
There is one more. Garki Deshpande. Pea carotene is very high in some other foods like carrots. Why have you opted for tomato?
Well, basically, its raw material is available right now. As I said, green leafy vegetables had it been there, I would have done that. But today, there are carrots in market in that much quantity. But the preserved tomato products like tomato paste are available with several manufacturers today. So it doesn't mean that we will not make it from carrot tomorrow or from any other fruit.
Because of the source is very important, no? So availability of the source.
Source and cost and all these things come in picture for choosing the raw material.
The concluding part.
No, thanks to Dr. Savangikar and Chitra. It was very useful, but we should take it forward and we should do some advocacy. We should, the product is good and it is good for the nation also. As you rightly said, the innate immunity has to be improved for all the Indians. And it will be a part of the government of India should take up the Fit India movement, what they are calling. So taking right type of food, right type of nutrient is also important. I think in the coming days after the lockdown is over, we will also try to help you in pushing the agenda. Thank you very much to both of you.
Thank you.
And thank you very much.
Savangikar.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So I think this is a very good product we have developed, and really it addresses to the suffering the people are going through. And I hope it should reach to the people in the shortest possible time so that they will get a benefit of this. Thank you.